How to connect your unit to Wi-Fi, hotspot mode. To connect your unit to Wi-Fi, first press the menu button. Use the arrow keys to scroll down to Network and press OK. Select Mode and press OK. Use the arrow keys to select Hotspot Mode and press OK. Note, the unit will beep and restart. There should now be a hotspot symbol on the screen. Take a device such as a smartphone or tablet and search for available Wi-Fi. There should be a Wi-Fi visible, such as RPB 189F. Connect your smartphone or tablet to this Wi-Fi. Now, go back to the menu on the monitor. Scroll down to Network and press OK. Scroll down to Status and press OK. On your smartphone or tablet, open a browser. Type in this IP address displayed on the monitor, which will be 192.168.1.3. You will now be browsing the website, which has information such as logs, calibration certificates, and more.